Hi, this is James from ALYN BREWIS Nashton. Here we've got a really nice 2014 VW Tiguan Match 2-litre TDI, presented in deep black metallic, which we had machine polished yesterday, and it looks really tidy, with the matching black Alcantara interior trim. The car has both front and rear acoustic parking sensors, Bluetooth hands-free with a multifunction steering wheel, a rear tray, and quite impressively, it has an electric tilt and slide glass roof with the electric sunshade as well. We've also got sat-nav, dual zone climate control, as well as an air conditioning glove box. Quite a big boot,